the cold season in Kenya or in Nairobi, and I know right now you just want to cold up, get some warm blanket and just Netflix and chill. But remember, the stomach is very ungrateful. It will always feel hungry. So what do you do in such a situation where it's cold, you just want to chill and be cozy with a warm blanket and just Netflix and chill, but you're still hungry? So what do? You prepare this amazing, tasty, quick, when I mean quick, it's very, very quick. It doesn't take more than 15 minutes. And you're able to have the meal ready for you to enjoy, and then you will lunch. So what are we going to prepare today? Let's have a look. Karibuni.
We begin by boiling our pasta. So in a sufuria or cooking pot, add some bit of water and salt inside. Then pour in your pasta. You can use any kind of pasta. Then let it boil for about 7 to 9 minutes depending on the type of pasta you're using. The pasta is boiling, prepare your chicken. So in a bowl, add in your chicken breast. This is boneless chicken. Then drizzle in some oil on top of your chicken. Then next in, add in your spices. I'm going to leave the list of the spices in the description below. Then just mix your spices into the chicken to ensure the chicken is well coated with the spices. So chicken is seasoned in a pan, add in some oil and heat it up. Then add in your chicken breast onto the pan and cook on one side for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's well cooked. Then just flip your chicken onto the other side to cook it until it's ready. So as you cook, if you're not using a non-stick pan, you can add in some bit of more oil to ensure that your chicken does not stick on the pan. Once ready, remove your chicken breast from the pan, then cut it into small pieces and set it aside for cooking later on. Next, in a pan or sufuria, just drizzle some bit of oil inside, then add in 1 teaspoon of garlic and then cook for about 30 seconds until you can smell the aroma from the garlic. Then add in your cooking cream inside. If you don't have cooking cream, you can use some bit of milk followed by some cheese. I used mozzarella cheese over here. Then the spices used on your meat. Then add in your cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can still use flour, though cornstarch helps it with it gives it a thicker paste compared to flour. Then add in your pasta. Afterwards, add in your chicken and just give everything a good mixture until everything is well mixed. Finally, add in your cheese and then let it cook for about 2 minutes until the cheese melts. Then remove from the pan and serve and enjoy.
Wasn't that not quick, right? Less than 15 minutes and have your meal ready to enjoy and just cozy up and feel warm and Netflix and chill with something to take care of your tummy. So we're just going to do the taste test and see whether we've nailed it or it was a disappointment. So let's have a taste test. Obviously we have a bite of our chicken and some bit of our pasta. But then you can use any pasta that you have, spaghetti, linguine, fettuccine, all of them. You can use them. So here we have a bite. Ooh, just has that Italian ready to eat with all that oregano and basil in it. It was definitely a hit. So thank you so much for staying tuned. Remember to comment down below what you've liked about this recipe and to share it with your family and friends. And remember to click that subscribe that subscribe button, and let's grow and become one huge community and family. So thank you so much. Till next time. Kwaheri.